Good afternoon, Taraknath ji or
Good
Abhishek ji,
afternoon.
for giving me this opportunity to speak about LIA in this platform called ISRA. Actually, हमारे को बहुत खुशी हो रहा है that LIA is going to have a MOI with ISRA because lot of schemes we are planning to have it. आपको स्क्रीन में दिख रहा है that is our
Yes,
LIA. That is the flyer which we have made it. These are all the programs what we are going to conduct. It is regarding जैसे तारकनाथ जी बोला है, we have started during the COVID time. So during that, before that we were doing individually, but later we felt that lot of government schemes and all are not going to the right persons in the villages and all. So that's why we have registered. We actually thought of why to register, give directly the same thing to the poor people, to the needy. No need of registering. That was our main intention. But we thought of having it as a registered, and we have planned it for the entire Karnataka. So for at present we are in Bellary now, doing with social activities in the rural villages and all. So this is the entire screen is our activities. So step by step I will be showing who we are. We are actually how we started. So we are a group of like-minded people. Through the reunion, we thought of having some social activities. So like that, we have started this group. So our services during the COVID were COVID-19 relief packages, helping hand, skill development, go green, relief measures for cancer patients, help for blind. Then we have youth empowerment, school dropout, creating awareness, part-time jobs, facilities for village youth empowerment, special counseling for girls and women. So I say मैं एक एक program this were our initiatives. So अभिषेक जी आप थोड़ा third screen को थोड़ा जा सकते हैं, the third screen, मेरा slide का third screen, yeah. ये अभी मैं बोल दिया है service and youth empowerment. The next is we made up this go green. So these are all the services what we are doing. Yes, the services what we are doing, you can see it on the screen. And now we also have the Go Green, which we have done for the Environment Day. So these are the services what we are doing from LIA. Yeah, LIA stands for itself is called Love in Action. So some of the youth empowerment, there are many school dropouts in villages. So many actually, for to give an example, we had been to a village called Hargin Dhoni. So that is a village where the primary school was in the year 1930. It was constructed. To our this itself till 2020 there is no high school. So you must imagine कैसा रहेगा उधर का students सभी till 1 to 8th they are teaching. Then later they have to go to high school to the cities. And do you feel that parents will send their kids to the cities after 7th? It is impossible, no, because there are no buses at that time. So many child marriages were going place. So we entered that school. We came with the Go Green project, and with the Go Green project, what we made is we brought our social health, child and healthcare person to the school, and there we showed him that the school was constructed in 1930, but till now there is no high school. Many child marriages are still going on. So now we have asked the government to implement a high school. So that fight is going on. Whether this year is it able to develop the high school there? So the process is going because of this COVID. Also, there is some restrictions. These are the main reasons why we have started this LIA. The name, the theme itself is called Love in Action. So अभिषेक जी next screen आप जा सकते हैं. Yeah, this is the Go Green. Then we have our own guardians. The next screen, Abhishek. Yeah. We have the guardian team in for Bellary. So आपको जब एक फिल्म एक्टर का एक डेथ हो गया तो हम सोचा इधर भी बहुत we have to do counseling, self development, motivational. So all like-minded people, what we have done, we have made this and helplines. We have called them as the guardian angels. The guardian angels, if you are in depressed, if you are facing some problems, career counseling, whatever problems we are having these guardians. They can contact these helplines. These are all one all of our activities what we are doing. This is our 250 saplings. Next slide, Abhishek. So this is we are associated with the NYKS, that is Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan. इसमें जो हम एसोसिएट हुआ है तो नेहरू युवा केंद्र संगठन, इसमें जो हम क्या किया है, so every house we have went there and given them the samplings as gift, so that let them also they know the meaning of what is plantation. So कैसे plant कर सकता है, कैसे वो लोग अपना अपना environmental कैसे रख सकते हैं कहते बोलकर, तो हम NYKS से जुड़ा है, तो वो जुड़कर we are planning with the Go Green and our aim is million tree challenge. The next slide please. So this is our one more activity of LIA. What we are planning is for the White Cross. अब सब लोग को Red Cross मालूम रहता है, तो ऐसे ही White Cross इधर शुरू करने का है, because empowering, because after when senior citizens all get old, they are what they do is they put in the old age home. Is it required? We children, we don't know how to care our parents, but parents know how to care our children. So we are planning that let them not go to an old age, let us take care. There is a give a nurse or a home nurse to the house, एटलीस्ट एक हाउस में एक नर्स दिया तो काफी है उनको देखना. अभी अभी ये कोविड के वजह से सब लोग को पैसा बनाने का वो ड्रीम ही चले गया है, because we don't know whether tomorrow who is alive, who is not. So this COVID has taught many a lot of lessons. So this is some of the initiative of LIA, like the LIA White Cross, Liam Mates, Dil Se Decor, home tutors, because after education, after if anyone has done engineering, BA, BCom, they don't know what to do, how to, let them at least teach the primary school students and all. That is the tutors all we have made. And even because at least let them have, they might be feeling that if there is no job, at least they can, by teaching a profession to some students and all, at least they can earn some money. So we don't want anyone that everyone can get the through the Skill India, everyone can get their own doing of their own jobs. And we have the Leo home feeds also. So in that home foods, many teachers who are unemployed, so what they are doing is उनको अभी सैलरी नहीं है, तो सैलरी कैसा उनका घर सभी कैसा चलने का है. So what we have made is that is the grandma's recipe. So they are making their own chapati roti कर रहे हैं उनका घर में. So there are some youngsters who go for home deliveries, so that at least they may get some income for their livelihood, because that is a profession which is they can't go outside for begging or anything like that. So that is the main reason where, so every individual they can get their own jobs. There is no need of going to any other person or being under him and doing some jobs and all. So be your own to have your own jobs. So that is our some of the themes which we have started in LIA. So Abhishek ji, next slide. These are some of the activities which we have done. If you can zoom it. Okay. So during the COVID, you can see that we have gone to the individual houses. We go enter the house, see it, what they the requirement, if they are having any APL card or BPL card, or if they are not having any card, for them we are providing. When government is providing, there is no need of us to provide. So these are all some of the programs what we have done. You can just see it. Even plantation, go green also is there, and individual. Even during the COVID, the social distancing in the markets and all with the municipal commissioner, we are standing there. So the in the markets maintaining the social distance. Yeah, the next one. Abhishek ji, next slide. Yeah. So here some of our achievements. The Bellary citizens have honored LIA people for their contribution to the society, and even we are engaging with the youth. We are doing the Swachh Bharat, and what you are seeing this stage, the extreme right side down नीचे आप जो देख रहे हैं ना वही एक स्कूल है जो मैं हरगिन धोनी का एक स्कूल का मैं आपको बोल रहा था. That was the main 1930 में वो स्कूल स्टार्ट हुआ है, लेकिन अभी तक उधर हाई स्कूल नहीं है. सो उधर के लिए हम जाकर प्रोग्राम बनाकर चाइल्ड केयर का डिपार्टमेंट से मेंबर को बुलाकर, कर्नाटका चाइल्ड केयर मेंबर को बुलाकर उनको अभी ये पूरा प्रोग्राम हम उनको सबमिट किया है. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. So our mission is we are dedicated to help the needy families with required medicine, ration kits, and if case demands financial support. कुछ फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट चाहिए हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं. अवेयरनेस एंड काउंसिल अनएम्प्लॉयड यूथ को हम काउंसिल करते अबाउट द स्किल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम एंड करंट गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स. गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स वो सबके लिए मेरे को अभिषेक से ये ये कर रहा हूँ. कौन से तो भी गवर्नमेंट स्कीम which will be helpful to our rural village, to the citizens in Karnataka, if they can help us out, so that at least we can provide them what all the things are required. We can give provide the schemes and let it will go to the right hands.